I have my exhaust ejector all set up now, and it's working pretty good, I think. So I thought I'd share it. But got a longer version of how I set it up in another video that I can have come out. But basically what we have is just a blower in the wall. It's 12 volt. I use that even though there's an outlet right there, just because I had it. And then I just plug it into this pigtail here. Comes out the side of the battery, of course. Start it up, let it warm up a bit, and disconnect everything and get it out of here. One of the issues is that the prevailing wind comes right into the garage there. But there's where it comes out. And again, stuff I got to rebuild the face of this wall, and so I'll do something a little bit different there once I get there. And I think he's happy about it. Maybe not. Smoke's gonna be coming right in your face, buddy.